Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to reset the active status option on Facebook using your PC. Whether you want to manage your online visibility or just refresh your settings, this guide will help you get it done in no time. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Messenger icon. Click on it. After clicking the Messenger icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Now, locate the three dots icon at the top of this drop-down menu. This is where you'll find additional options. Click on the three dots to open a new menu. Next, from this menu, select the option labeled Active Status. This will take you to a page where you can manage your active status settings. Here, you'll notice an option to reset your active status. Simply click on Reset to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully reset the active status option on Facebook. By doing this, you've refreshed your settings and ensured that everything is working as intended. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance with their Facebook settings. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.